And now, may I present to my compatriots in the Philippines and the world, especially in Nice, France, the exemplary father like Saint Joseph who guided me here, who brought me here, Darius Boquiren. He is holding the sacred prophetic covenant marker, the sacred prophetic covenant marker of His Excellency President Romualdus Marcos Jr., as inspired by Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, Saint Padre Pio, on September 23, 2023. And so, this is the covenant of our beloved President, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. This I brought to Paris Philippine Embassy, and I presented it to His Excellency Ambassador Eduardo Jose A. de Vega. And so, this pilgrimage to Nice, France, St. Joseph Church continues the sacred prophetic graces in Paris Philippine Embassy on January 8, 2026, because His Excellency Ambassador Eduardo Jose A. de Vega believed in the dream message to me of Interfaith Saint Pope John Paul II, not to go anymore to Krakow, Poland, but instead to go to Paris Philippine Embassy. So my dear compatriots, I really thank and bless His Excellency Ambassador Eduardo Jose A. de Vega for believing in the dream message of Interfaith Saint Pope John Paul II to me. Amen.